Alright guys, we've got Millie behind the wheel and we are having a debate right now. So I'm gonna probably just input this video for you guys tomorrow to see, but when we left White Sands, the GPS said 5 hours, right? It said 4 hours and 56 minutes to be exact, okay? So I drove from there, and when we switched, the GPS said 2 hours and 36 minutes left.
You're making
right?
Up.
2 hours and 36 minutes. So right now she's dying to stop. Babe, where's the next gas station? I'm done, right? But she thinks she drove for like 2 hours. She's only driven from, that thing said 2 hours and 36 minutes, and there's an hour and 7 minutes left. So if you do the math, that's an hour. If she finishes, you know, in 7 minutes, if we get to this gas station, if she ever makes it there at 46 miles an hour. But if
listen, at least
if there's 1 hour left,
all right, don't talk.
The agreement was for me to do the last hour, right? Get some rest.
Trucks are killing me.
So, but she thinks she's driven for 2 hours. She's only driving for an hour and a half. Which is good, man.
The thing is that because I'm going so slow, I have driven for like 2.5 hours.
Okay, I see what you're saying, because you're driving 45, 50 miles an hour. The time frame, but okay, so the minutes are just moving slow right here. That's all. The minutes aren't really moving.
No, I'm just moving slow. The time ain't just not moving.
You can't do that. You can't like say that. Okay, you can't match up your time frame.
Yes, I can.
If you're going 50 miles an hour,
it doesn't matter. I've been in the freaking behind the wheel for 2.5 hours.
So in that case, you should be driving longer. If you're driving 50 miles an hour, you're not covering that much ground. Anyways,
I'm driving in the dark where you can't see anything.
But I'll tell you one thing, guys. Driving at nighttime, and the reason why we're driving at nighttime, I think we can. I do a lot better at nighttime because the wind. If you have a travel trailer, the wind is your friend. Is not your friend.
What?
During the day, the winds. If the winds are like 14 to like 18, 20 miles per hour, and depends on the direction, the winds are not your friend. At nighttime, it is super calm. It's super calm at nighttime. Check the winds right now. Super calm. I'll check the winds right now. You can't feel a thing. By the way, we're in Arizona, guys.
Oh yeah, we made it. I made it.
Millie, you did it, babe.
I did it.
The winds are 6 miles per hour, honey. West. So the winds are is pushing the trailer to west. So if anything, it's helping you. It's going with you. It's not going against you. Okay, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning in Arizona, in Tucson.
Into California.
Not sure what we're gonna do, but
here we go.
Wow. Okay.
I'm getting a cramp on my shoulder.
I'm not putting this video back on.
Damn.
You see, and you know what? The other morning she got at me because I didn't wake up early enough to drive, and I keep telling her like, "Yo, I drove till like midnight that night. You expected me to be up at 7 o'clock?" Now she's driving and she's feeling the pain. Like you have to. It's a lot of work with the arm. Yeah, it hurts. All right, guys, we'll see y'all in Arizona, man. Like tomorrow. Well, we're in Arizona, but we'll see y'all in the morning. We finally made it. We'll show you guys in the morning where we are. So we made it in late last night, guys, around 2:30 in the morning to Tucson. So we did the 5 hours from White Sands. Didn't think we can do it, man, but we pushed through. We made it here, so we're in Tucson right now. We stayed at a casino. You know, the first place Millie took us to was, I don't know, it was a little sketchy, so I said, babe, find somewhere else that's in the area. So she looked on the Y'all Stays app and found this casino, which is pretty open, man. A lot of space here. People are so disgusting. Someone actually had their dog pee on my wheel. Can you believe that? We're about to get back on the road right now. Continue on the trip. See y'all on the road. Okay guys, so apparently we have stopped at a cactus place. I don't know. It's we were in transit to Quartzsite and Millie found a place for us to stop. So at this point we'll never make it, guys, but I was against it at first, but it's pretty cool. Picacho something State Park.
Picacho State Park. It's a beautiful park. It's known for its trails and different shape or forms of cactus. They have like heart-shaped cactus, and it's just the scenery here is just beautiful.
Alright, we're gonna go check out this trail. Not too much into it because it's extremely hot. I'm telling you, the temperature out here changes like really drastically. It's about 90 degrees. So we're gonna take that path and see where it takes us. But we're really not gonna go far at all. So let's do it. Alright, we're about 100 steps into this hike and I'm ready to turn around.
It's extremely hot.
It's extremely hot, but the views are pretty worth it. And different shapes and types of cactuses out here. I wonder if anyone's out here hiking. But this is I've come to learn that it's hard to go as planned with a trip because you run into places like this on the way that you might have not seen when planning your route. So it may set you back, but just gotta run with it.
Let it go.
This is amazing. I'm gonna invest in some hiking shoes. Wow.
Look at all the sandstorms, twisters.
Oh my god. This is crazy. This is insane. Look at that, guys. These sandstorms. I don't know if you can get it in the camera can get it, but it's pretty cool looking. Let me take you guys up. Babe, come up here. Wow. Guys, I gotta tell you, this is crazy. This is insane. Holy moly. Alright guys, that wraps up our hike and venture here at, it's called Picacho State Park. Yeah guys, so we had to disconnect in Walmart real quick because the brakes were sounding funny, and luckily enough there was a brakes place right across the street, but by the time we unhooked and everything it was too late. Yep. Alright, well we're gonna hook back up and probably find somewhere to go and have to get the oil change and brakes checked tomorrow. This guy looks like he'd be here for a little while. Got his jacks down and everything. Well, we looked up on this Walmart on the Allstays app, and they say you can get fined, or this is what? There's not one of these Walmarts you can stay overnight, right?
Nah, not at all. They'll tow your ass, tow your butt.
Well, I'm wondering how long this guy's been here.
I'm not
this guy
sure,
is set up like he's living here.
From the reviews I read, the city doesn't allow you to park and they'll tow you.
Day was great, man, but this was the only downfall of the day. I was getting off the exit, and I heard the brakes kind of squeaking. I'm thinking maybe they're a little too hot. I don't know, but we definitely need an oil change. My oil life is at like 20%. Hey guys, so after a nice long day of driving and, you know, sightseeing at that beautiful park we went to, we are stopped in Quartzsite, Arizona. But yeah, we're here for the night. We actually came to a campground.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning from Quartzsite, Arizona. So we're currently staying at 88 Shades RV Park. We're just doing all of our boondocking preparation, like washing all the clothes, you know, cleaning the tanks, refilling the water, and just cleaning up the RV. When you're like, you know, just constantly traveling and going at the quick pace that we're going right now, it's things can get pretty messy. Tim is getting an oil change while I'm watching the clothes.
I'm just here patiently waiting at the Dodge dealership. Do want that Ram though.
So yeah, this RV park, it's right off of I-10. Looks pretty desert looking. What do we expect here in Arizona? This parks have pull-throughs, they have back end. We decided to come to a pull-through even though Tim was gonna unhook the trailer, but we just figured it was easier to just park it and for us to leave. They have about, I think, like 10-15 sites that are pull-through for overnighters. Why are we in Quartzsite? Just preparing for boondocking, because usually we try to boondock at least 2 to 3 nights, and then we book at a place and just kind of refreshen up on everything. We are self-sufficient. We do carry water in the tank, and we have a generator, so we can pretty much boondock anywhere. So Quartzsite, it's a little small town of population between 3,000 to 4,000 people. Really small town, but guess what? It is boondocking capital for the RVers between January and February. Sorry we missed it. We're currently in April.
All right guys, so I just got the truck serviced. Had to drive 30 minutes to Blythe, California, which is 30 minutes away from the campsite in Quartzsite, Arizona, where I had to leave Millie. So yesterday, you know, as we were getting off the highway, I heard the brakes, man, doing something funny. A little squeaking. I was like, that's a little too soon for that to be happening. But anyways, I got the oil changed, and I'm glad I went with my gut feeling, because I almost took it to like one of these little shops in the area just because I didn't want to drive far at first. But I'm glad I went with my gut feeling and went to Dodge. Come to find out, it was only, there were pebbles or debris caught by the brake pad, causing it to continue on I-10, causing the squeaking that we were hearing. So, you know, usually when you take it to Dodge, they do like an inspection of everything, the oil, well, they replace the oil, they inspect the fluids, you know, brakes, pads, and all that good stuff. So that's good news. So now it's just to go back to the campground and hook up and get back on the road.
Okay guys, so we are finally on our way out. It's currently 2:35 in the afternoon. Thanks to 88 Shades RV Park for letting us stay a little over the time. Usually check us about 12. We're finally out.
She'll be in Cali in about 20 minutes. Welcome to California. So we're about to check off Arizona, and then we'll be in Cali. Bam. That's it. Next is Cali. And that's it.
We'll put the sticker when we get to our destination.